Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yesterday I looked at the basic hashing function and how hashing is implemented in Python. In Python, most of the hashing functions are implemented as built-in function, and that's also the same for hash sets that I learned today. So it's just hash set is basically a set. There's no difference. Um, Yeah, it's just the concept is the same. They just put the name hashing because, yeah, it has to be compatible with all the other languages as well. Those are fly. Um, yeah, so we're gonna try some questions. I brought two questions from LeetCode. Mm, yeah, first one is this one. So a pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once. So, given a string sentence containing only lowercase English letters, return true if sentence is a pangram or false. Otherwise, yeah, this was a super easy question that I could think of maybe two solutions when I saw it. But one was the brute force, another one was using a set, the hash set. I'm gonna try it using the hash set like we studied yesterday. I studied yesterday. Yeah, you as well studied. Uh, yeah, let's quickly look at the example case. Yeah, so it has all the 26 English letters, so it's given as true, right? So yeah, we would have to set automatically takes out all the repeating elements from its array. So what we have to do is basically set up a set of a sentence. So we can put it as always the hardest part is naming the variable. What should we name it as? Mm, non-repeating. Yeah, yeah. Let's just put as non-repeat. Is set, and Python is really simple. You just put set on a sentence, uh, and it will give us the elements that's non-repeating. Um, yeah, and we just check if it's a pangram or not. So if non-repeating, mm, yeah, oh wait, we just check the length of the non-repeating, because if it's including all the letters, then it would be 26. 26, return. Now we try it. Yeah, so it's correct. This one was really simple, and the time complexity is also O to the n, because as you can see in the no, it's actually O1 because it's a constant time, and you're just checking one by one. So that's the benefit of using a set, the hash set. We're going to try another question here. The missing number. So given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Yeah. So this question also, we can use a set. So how are you going to use the set? Um, given the example, 301, n is 3 because there are 3 numbers, so all the numbers are in the range 0, 3. Yeah, so we just count the length of the array and then see what's missing from 0 to length of that length plus 1 of that array, right? So we just define the set variable first. So we'll define it as num set, nums. I wanted to buy a new computer, but it's really expensive, 800 euros. And then it will drastically improve my recording ability. N equals length of nums. Yeah, we just define all the variables first. And then we define the main loop, which is for number in range n plus 1, right? Like I said. If this number is in the num set, no, not in, right? Because we're trying to find the element that's not in num set, we return this number. Let's check. Yeah, so see, one of the best things about Python is that I know for C, C++, you have to do all those kinds of, you have to define everything, the environment and everything. That's really complicated. But in Python, it's in 3 lines, you're already defining the loop. So that was really simple. And yeah, hashing, that was it for today. Hashing in Python. Probably we're going to look at some next features of hashing. Like I said, hashing seems to be one of the most important algorithms. So yeah, there's lots of questions evolving, and I'm going to go through them, almost every one of them. Yeah, I also have an interview tomorrow uh, with a Korean company. This is not directly relating to software rule, but I just decided to give a try because, first of all, um, I want to have more uh, choices because now the time time is really uncertain for me. I don't know what I want to do. Although I want to go into the software field, um, the options are really limited, especially here. So I just want to open more doors, see where it goes, and hopefully it works out for me tomorrow. Yeah, second reason was also because of money. All right. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow, and I hope the video didn't freeze. How do I? Shit. Recording stuff.